Well, happy Monday, and welcome back to another week with Nacho Stuff. I know, I'm expecting to be here the whole week, guys. We're kicking off the week right off where we left last week, in Cherville. We've seen this chair, and there's another one just down the road. Because I came down to the end of this cul-de-sac, so I know it's there. So, hopefully we find more than just chairs today, but only the streets will tell. And hopefully we can stay away from that other scrapper that's been bumping into us on Mondays. So, let's get after it and see what the week holds for us. Oh, I think it's plastic. I saw this. I thought it was a bat. It's a plunger. That's funny. Oh, it's not even a bat. It's not even a plastic bat. It's a plastic plunger. Chair number 2. Got anything in you? I know. Oh, that's metal, right? Yeah, that's metal too. Professional box kicker. Let's go. Looky, looky. It's Roku, which means it should be new enough, right? Yeah, like you're gonna find a year, Matt. Come on, let's be honest. You're never gonna find a year. 2018. Wow, you're pretty new, dude. You're a little wet. Don't want you in my car. Slide you up. Come on, you guys work. Let him in here. There we go. Get the cord in. Come on, Matt. There we go. Onward. I know, every little bit helps. I almost drove by it like, yeah, I'm not gonna mess with this thing. We'll take her though. Could have been made out of copper or something, right? Pretty lean out here today, guys. What are these little wires for? What is that? I don't know that I've ever seen that before. Is this a Wi-Fi sync? Let's go. Sweet. I love me a trampoline, especially when it's taken apart. Ouch. To spring or not to spring? Ah, those springs are in there. We're just gonna take this up here and we're gonna dump it. Make my life a whole lot easier. Come on, baby. That's one way to get her in there, right? Let's go. And we get a picker. Looks like we got some toilet replacements, but there's boxes are all full of stuff. Ah, we're not going to get no picker here. We're going to get some metals at least. What is this stuff? Trim. That's it. I'll take it. So much for a picker. What we got here? Are you broken or are you good? I don't think you're good. They wouldn't throw out a perfectly good wagon, would they? No, you're missing all your top brackets. That's why you're out here. Those sell amazing if you can get them not totally trashed. When I first saw this, I thought it was gonna be extruded, but it's an IKEA thing. We're gonna get these crutches though. I don't know what these are, but these smell aluminum. And they are. There's the extruded I smelled. Look at this. Oh, they're broken. There's little planer boxes. Oh my gosh, they're extruded plastic. We'll leave that for the next scrapper. Dang it. Now we're talking. Uh-oh. Oh, these springs flying out. Come on, springs. You can't be doing that. Oh, they got all the brass. I think they did. That's okay. Get rid of these springs before they start falling out the back. Whoa, let go of my shirt. All right, let's move. A little baby twofer here. Get ourselves another television. This one's not a tester. Come on, world of scraps at today. What we got over here? That's a fancy water feeder of some sort. Just want that portion. I wonder if they done. I don't know what was in here, but I think they done killed it already. When they set this up, 2018 it was set up. It had a good life. All right. Whoa. Talking about a good life. My son has been lobbying for a hamster, and I don't know, it's called Upwork or something. I don't know, one of those ones the kids have. He basically made a PowerPoint presentation for my wife, explaining to her on why he needed this hamster. 10-year-old PowerPoint explaining why he needed a hamster. Crazy kids. Let's go. Gotta love when you get stacking tables. Oh, come on, glass, come out of here. Restack. Good enough for now. Let's go. What we have here is a fan or a heater. Let's see here. I think it's a fan. Oh no, it's gonna be a heater. So I just listed one of these last night, one of the ones that I found earlier that worked. Oh my gosh, whose trunk is that? And I've already got an offer on it. I renegotiated what the bid was, so we'll see if they take it. But all you gotta do is list it and stuff might sell. Onward. Here's some goodies. I think there's something in here too. I think this is a metal decoration. 2 metal decorations. You go back in there, Styrofoam. I don't want you. Ooh, those are kind of fun. Oh, those hold candles. Let's see. Elements. There's no. Oh, there's the price there. Maybe. $24.99. Worth about, I don't know, 25 cents in scrap. That's a pretty nice picture there. Let's bring that for Kev. He might like that. It's in pretty good shape. My mother-in-law came over. See what I did is I took one of these drawers. It was a silverware drawer out of a buffet that I found, and I turned it into a toolbox. But anywho, my mother-in-law came over this morning. She's like, I put out a rug last night because today's my large pickup day, and someone already took it, and it wasn't the garbage man. I said, surprise, surprise. I said, you'll throw out stuff because one little corner's frayed, and I'm sure someone's like, that's a great rug, I'm taking it. So, let's go. Finally. You know it, kids. We're fans of fans here at Nacho Stuff. So take a moment to smash that like button. Hashtag fan of a fan. These guys always have nice garbage. Folks, you have great garbage. Okay, let's try not to have broken glass every place. Okay, you come here. You come there. Alright, you guys can go back in there. Alright, you come back over here. Nothing else there. And like, this is a perfect example of what we gotta wait for Jeffy for. There's no way they're gonna give me dirty brass on this. You're gonna have to take the glass out. But Jeff will. So that's gonna have to wait a whole week to get turned in. What can you do? There might be a rail or two we can grab here. Maybe. Look at these fancy legs. They're not aluminum now. So we're gonna get these two rails, I guess. Oh, that one's still connected. All right, one rail it is. Let's take a quick gander back here, make sure there's nothing else that looks too fan jazzy. Nope. So I'm not a huge car or a motorcycle guy, but that's pretty cool. That's a Harley with a sidecar, and that's probably a pretty old Harley. How fun is that? I'm calling it stop of the day. Gonna get ourselves a crusty rusty exercise bike by Schwinn, a grill, and some aluminum patio furniture. Oh, you're heavy. Oh my gosh, you're heavy. Morning.
Morning.
Yeah, we're just over here hanging out like laundry. Oh my gosh, this thing. Come on, put your big boy pants on. Carry it over there already. Oi. What is this thing? Full of cement? Holy Toledo. Wow. The ergo racer. Ain't no way racing on that one, man. That is heavy, heavy, heavy. Whoo-wee. You flop one up there. All the way, dude. Hoo-yush. Yoink. Here we go. Hoo-wee. You're connected. And last but not least, our roof. Sweet. Let's go. Ooh-wee. Oh, be something in the trunk. I didn't even see that trunk. Come on, baby. And the side's still locked. I think it's empty. It's not. There's some somethings in here. A hammer. Yeah, we'll take that stuff. Thank you very much. All right, let's go. And the purge begins. Hey, look, I got a dolly now. another dolly. Ooh, nice wood. I'm just taking the metal.
There you go.
Thank you, though.
Sure.
I will take this box, though. This box is nice. Akron, Ohio. That's pretty cool. I like that one. I like it a lot. Ooh, yeah, you're fun. Something about those old boxes I like. I'll take that. Thank you. This is a pretty nice brand. This is, I got 2 dollies now. This is a Generac. They make generators. Oh, but she's a pretty good guy. Stay. All right, we're out of here. Oh, hey, Macareva. Oh, by the way, I started breaking down. I started looking at my motors last week when I took Jeffy all that stuff from the house. Most of the transformers in these microwaves are all aluminum. I thought one side was copper, one side was aluminum. That's not the case. They're all aluminum, or at least the ones I've been getting lately. So keep that in mind when you're deciding what to keep and not. Hey, the song's on repeat. Hey, microwave. Got another one. Oh. Onward. Oh man, look at this sign, Yankee fans. Boo. My wife's a hardcore Red Sox fan, and I am by marriage. Ugh. Onward. Alrighty guys, we've got a couple of onesie-twosies, like a chair and what else do we get? That garbage can. Not too excited to come in for those just like onesies. So, but we gotta come in for the fan. Why? Because we're fans of fans here at Nacho Stuff. Hashtag fan of the fan. I like it, I like it. These are battery backups, I think, or maybe computers. We got. I feel like battery backups. Backup, yep. Look at that, they got the receipt on here. Oh, it's the quality assurance test. It passed! Well, that's good to know. Oh, these are so heavy. They're like little bricks of love. I think I'm just getting weak. That's what I think. Everything feels heavy anymore. Like, man, this stuff's heavy. Oh, there's 3 of them here. Sweet. The old phone. Got a sink in here? Oh, we do. So brassy brass. I don't know if that is. We'll take it. Just keep filling in our crevices and cracks. Is it garbage? I think so. That's garbage too. We'll take Mr. Basketball. Mr. Printer. Slam dunk. Right there looks good. Perfect. That'll do her. Little dabble do. What we got here? Something or nothing? Ah, something. Got a Vroomba. No, we got a Goovy. That's Roomba's brother. Goovy. I still need another hose. So that one hose that I told you last week worked beautifully. I mean, it's gorgeous. I mean, it's pretty ratty looking on the outside, but it works great. This one does not look in great shape. But my kids are still using the one in the backyard that have all kind of holes spraying out of it. I'm like, guys, the hose in the front. Why don't you put it in the backyard, Dad? Because I want it in the front. Why don't you use the one in the front? Gosh. So I still need to find one more. Let's go. Hey, this vacuum's new with tags. What? Not new with tags. What, you leave the tag on your thing the whole time you were doing this? What? I don't know what's going on here, folks. How do you have a vacuum that's that full? You still got the tag on it. Bizarro. That's a pet machine. Morning. It's been weird scrapping, man. It's like one piece here, one piece there. We had one, whoops, marginal pile this morning. We haven't been getting in piles much. We're filling her up though. One piece at a time. Let's go. See, this is what I was talking about. We're gonna get that base might even, this might, it wasn't even a base. It's a clock. A plastic clock at that. Yeah, plastic clock. I was gonna get this. That's attached with screws. So we're just gonna take our ruler, which is probably aluminum, right? Yep. Consolation prize. It's feeling like it's gonna rain. You guys see the weather today? I didn't. No idea. Oosh. You can get in here. Now, let's put you guys right here, I guess. Try to scoot this guy up a little bit. Ah, come on, bro. We're just gonna have to keep building walls, I guess. Get this built up eventually. Faux walls. Let's go. Doesn't look amazing, but the first time I don't film it, it'll be like, I don't know, I'll find like bars of gold or copper or something amazing. So we're filming. Got ourselves another of these vacuums, man. Is this a Dyson? Black & Decker. A cheapie. We'll take it though. Come on, get in here all the way. Got a chair. Ooh, we got another chair. What else we got? What else we got? Go empty. See, Matt, you could have not filmed that. You're right. Just an old mug. What we got down here? Hell and Pony. That's the whole same book. I wonder if they wrote that book. It's weird to have 3 copies of it. A bunch of broken mugs. What is that? An oil can worm by Harley Davidson. What are these? Bingo puppets. Felt snowman candy cane covers. Sweet, we're ready for Christmas, guys. Let's go. See how this works? Just, this is actually one light. It's not even 2 lights. It's just folded in half. Oh, there's some nice wire in here though. Look at the size of that transformer ballast. Oh, remember the good old days when we got paid on ballast? Mike the Scavenger still gets paid on ballast. Why don't I? I don't get it. Let's go. Hey, look, another stroller for Dave. This really got his cover. Oh, you're going to be aluminum? Come on, do it. Nope. Nope, you're steel. I guess we're gonna put you here. Like such. Onward. We're gonna stuff this baby with onesies and twosies today, man. They're crazy. Look at how much we got. And we didn't even have a great stop yet. Crazy, crazy. Alright, let's go. It's just crazy out here today, man. Crazy, crazy. So I stopped. I put my camera on because I didn't. Again, it's just onesies, twosies, so it's not too exciting. But a guy came up and said, "Hey, do you want a mower?" He's like, "I was in Asia for a couple of months, and I think the gas got gummed up in it. But if you didn't put ethanol free in there, that's exactly what happened." So he gave me this beautiful, what is it, Heska birdie? Heska whatever, but I don't know, she's beautiful. So I'm gonna have my lawn guy fix that, and maybe I'll double up on my mowers. I can have 2 kids mowing. And the vacuums with the cords have been strong today too, which is pretty sweet. With 18 pounds of wire today. Get in there. This is the second one of these we've gotten. Bed guard. Get under that one and get under this one. Come on. See if we can get you under here. Just a little bit. There we go. Sweet. Let's go find another bit or two. Here comes the rain at the start of the spit. No, it's not supposed to rain today. Well, I don't know if it's supposed to rain or not, but I don't want it to rain. Go away, rain. Come back a different day. Like Saturday. Caught on, dude. There we go. Oh, this is gonna be a fun unload. I can see it that. In one piece at a time. Let's go. And this is how it's going to work. Last neighborhood, last cul-de-sac we go through here. And on the way down here, 2 wash machines. 2 washing machines. So we'll see you at the yard with those. Unbelievable, dude. We don't even really have room for this anywhere in there. Just gonna put you up front for now. Craziness, man. Here's my water. My drinking water. Keep me hydrated. Hydrated. So what I think I'm gonna do, so I want to see you guys at the yard. We're gonna use this strap. I'm gonna put both of them right here. Stacked too high. Why not? It's not sketchy at all. So let's go get that guy. And then we'll catch you guys at the yard. This one's like totally taken apart. Is there even a motor left in you? Sheesh. They really took this one apart. There's the base. I know there's probably a little bit of aluminum on that door. Is there a motor in here or not? Oh, there's a dryer. Stuff's still in here. Okie dokie, schmooky. There's one. Let's go get the other one. I'll see you guys at the yard. Let's do some non-ferrous D. NFD. Oh, Dave. Hey, we've got the big D. It's not that much stuff. This is all staying. The mower.
I was about to say, there ain't no way you're scrapping that.
No. Look how nice that is, man.
Yeah.
The guy's like, I've got this mower. It doesn't work quite right. I went to Asia for 2 months. I left bad gas in it.
What's he do for a living?
I don't know. He's like, I took really good care of it. I'm like, I can tell. It looks brand new.
It's an all-wheel drive Husqvarna.
I know.
You had the fuel fucking... I bet you had the fuel shut off or something.
I think it probably just put ethanol gas in it, and the carburetor's probably got a big chunk of gum in it.
Oh, probably. That gas don't smell right.
Like I said, he probably put ethanol gas in there, and
It's like a $500 lawnmower.
This is beautiful. It's probably still under warranty.
Yeah, I mean, this is a Husqvarna.
I know. I like you.
You must have went to a rich.
No, it was over in Waterford. Everybody's got way too much money. Oh, I didn't break those sinks down. Dag nabbit. I really think I just have... Do you know what this is?
That looks like a light cover.
A light cover.
No, it's not trash can.
I'm thinking it's something to feed animals. Like you huck something in there and
Yeah.
that's my only guess. There's no markings. I couldn't throw it away until I know what it is. I can't throw it away.
Yeah.
I'd be like, dude, you should have thrown it away. It's for like $600.
You know, it has been a plant base. They could have plants in there or some shit.
I don't, no idea.
Only
I'm gonna
reason why I
ask
think
Karen might know. It feels agriculturally to
It
me.
looks like it's sat like that. The only reason why I say that
Because the rust is on the bottom.
the
Yeah.
rust on the bottom. And you can see it's all beat up on the edges.
Yeah, maybe a table and it just...
Or it could have been went on a big end of a water, like a pump in a pond or something.
Yeah.
And it could have been keep bait with it.
Yeah, from getting sucked in. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. But then
I don't know. Dirty brass? Come on.
Yeah.
Come on, Jeff.
I'll leave a note for Jeff on that one.
Jeff will give me dirty brass on it.
I think you probably would.
Dirty brass on this?
Dirty
Look,
brass.
look, dirty brass. There's brass.
Yeah. The brass is good. That's a good deal right there. Man, you're a really good guy, ain't you?
Let's start with heavy. I'm doing these two though.
You've been here before, right?
Once or twice.
You're in the computer, right?
You guys made a mess, man. I thought those engines were supposed to come in empty.
What do you think our computer was?
You still got that piece.
I can't believe you found that.
I didn't find it. The guy actually took me into his backyard. He had it like undercover. It's probably his late 50s.
It probably doesn't even have any wrenches to clean his house. I'm sorry, I'm just kidding.
Nice.
When the paint looks that nice on
I know. He's like, I took really good care of it. I'm like, I can tell.
Yeah, I mean, you gotta clean the motor block here.
I know.
You don't even look like you never
I think he like I think he hosed it down every time he mowed.
The only way I know he mowed is because there's some grass green on the tires there. You could easily probably flip that at
I think I'm gonna keep it. It's better than the mower I've got.
Oh, you need a new one?
Well, the one I've got's got a bad carburetor. So I think I'm gonna swap it out. This will become mine. And then I'll give my junky one to my washer dryer guy. Because he's looking for a mower. These are, that's gonna say, I gotta take this. I gotta take. I know.
You can't even buy that.
I know. It's good stuff, man. I got one in my backyard I gotta bring in too. People don't like the patina though. They only like patina on copper. For some reason they frown on it when it's in aluminum. But that's aluminum patina. Powder coat.
You gotta pay for that.
Ah, come on, man. Oh, these two are married. There we go. I think I just beat the rain, man. Yeah, he scrapped it. Is this heavy, or is that shred? Oh, it's even light. Sweet. Forget Jeff, man. Bring Dave in.
I'm tired and I don't give a I drove 12 hours last night.
Where from?
North Carolina.
Oh yeah?
From Cherokee.
Wow, I bet, man.
That mountain driving, man.
That's
if you don't do it often.
You got to pay attention.
And not only that, these North Carolina drivers are insane. I mean, those roads should be 55 miles an hour, and they're doing 90. And I got my girl in the car, and I'm taking corners.
Yeah.
I'm like this dude on wheels. Doing like 80 miles an hour, and I got someone right in my ass. I'm like, what the f***? I'm driving to work this morning. I'm like, oh, this drives slow. Dude. I was like, I wish there was more North Carolina down here.
That's crazy, man. Yeah, up in Pennsylvania, it's when we went through the mountains there, it's like, it's pretty sketchy, especially if you go in the dark. I'm going to keep that unless...
Are you going to keep it?
Because if I take the screws out, he'll give me extrusion on it.
Oh, okay.
Or you'll give me extrusion on it.
Yeah, I think that mountain driving, it's like one of those things, you do something dangerous and it takes a lot of skill. You know what I mean? And
yeah.
You got to do it often. Before you know it, you're just one-handed shit.
Motor zeroed? Yeah. Come on. Get on up there. Oh, my drill's back here. Gosh. I'm trying to lose it. Woo-wee. So did Kev have those rims today?
Huh?
Kev do those rims? Somebody else.
Guy, last name was Brown.
Ouch. Down my head.
Oh, those are cute.
Two full batteries.
Those are quarter batteries. They're not 8 batteries.
We don't have 8 batteries. You can just give me a half battery for those 2 quarter batteries. That way I can get the extra quarter. That's what I told Jeff. I'm going to bring 2 at a time because the whole battery went down to $4.
It's ridiculous.
It went down to $4, but the half battery is $2.75.
I remember when we had recycling, we were by the weight. We talked about getting some batteries.
This is like 20 cents up north on batteries.
Yeah, I can't remember. We were paying good for batteries.
Yeah, you guys are.
Yeah, we were paying good.
You're still paying when you're paying at the 125, 275, $5.
Yeah.
That's still paying decent.
Yeah, but we were getting like paying like $10 for a battery.
Really?
15, yeah. And depending on the battery, like if you bring a truck battery thing,
Yeah.
like the big
Yeah.
you're talking like $50 to $100.
Really?
Yeah. Because especially you go buy that battery new, it's like $200.
You take that in as a battery like that?
With a snap-on thing?
Yeah.
I just set it over there. I'm just gonna have to get ready for it.
Yeah. All right. So
While I'm working, I'll buy it.
I got about 4 of those at the house. I just haven't got down to breaking them down yet. That's probably nice.
Honestly, I bought that as a quarter battery because I didn't know. I'm not supposed
It probably has 2 quarters in it.
Yeah,
Most of those had that.
I bought it for a quarter.
That's what these are. These are. This one's only probably got 1 in it, but the other 2 I took apart, it had 2 quarters in it.
Yeah.
I forgot to take those apart in the yard. Dang it.
I won't be out in the 10 pile. If you see me out running the machine, like I told Kevin and everybody else, the regulars, you're both apart. Throw it on the ground next to me. I'll smash it. It takes me 2 seconds.
Yeah. All right.
I've gotten pretty good at sorting the metals out. If you got a fridge, I can get everything out of it pretty quick.
Yeah. That yard's been a mess the last couple of weeks, though.
I haven't been here.
Yeah, I'm just saying, it's been like the pile finally just got kind of pushed back a little bit for the first time in like
I did that.
2 weeks.
They've been having me. I had to go work at the port last week.
Yeah.
I sheared up 3 80-foot by 20-foot by 10-foot aluminum cruise terminals.
Wow.
And they're like a thick.
Wow.
Sheared those up, loaded 3.5 truckloads worth of loads. So I had one big trucks come up there 3 times. It took me about a day and a half. I probably would have got it done if I had gotten there early on the first day and had the trucks already there, but I had a little field trip.
He bring his equipment over there?
Yeah,
yeah.
I loaded that shear up on the flatbed.
Okay.
And
Okay.
I went fishing. I catch every time I get a chance to fish. The weather does this or something.
Yeah.
I went up there and truck fish and I catch a thing.
Yeah.
Actually, I did catch something. I can't remember what it's fucking weird fish.
One of those blowfish, or the blowfish. That's the only thing I catch over there.
No, I'm up in North Carolina.
Oh, and they're here. Oh, that's where Jeff is now too.
Is he really?
Yeah.
That's funny. I'm up there trout fishing, and I mean that's a pretty looking fish.
Yeah.
But there's guys up there with like $5,000 worth of gear and rod.
Oh, yeah.
They got 200,000, 300,000 worth of RV, maybe more than that, RV and trucks up there for a week, and they caught one between
fish.
the 4 of them. They caught 1 trout, and I was like, I don't feel so bad. Because I actually missed a couple. They're just short striking. They come up. I'm good.
Yeah.
Yeah, they want nothing.
Yeah, he's not. He's on the beach though. He's gonna dig for shark teeth and yeah. I think he's in. I forget where he's at. This is North Carolina though.
I'll tell you that drive I will not do again unless I got a whole week off. I left Friday morning at 6 and I got there at 6, and then I left yesterday at 11 and I didn't get home till I think it was like 12:30.
Wow.
Because I had to
Alrighty guys, we're waiting paid. And man, we've got Dave, who's like the old school Jeff. That's gonna make my editing work that much more. Beep 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 beep. Dang you, Dave. Anywho, today was good, man. It was good, but the only thing kind of stunk was it was just like onesie-twosies, man. It's crazy. So you never know whether the day's going to be good or bad, or whether you're just going to pick up a couple of things here and there. You know, it feels like a slow start, and then you throw 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, and we did have that one street that had actually 2 dryers in it, one of which we sold, and then one of which we scrapped. But besides that one street, it was you know, just kept throwing those 1s and 2s in there, but it added up, man. Let's jump into the receipt. 1,500 pounds of tin, still $7.50. And the thing that blows my mind is gas is up, and the prices are up in other places. Why are we down? Come on, E&H, work with us here, baby. Kev said that one of the yards over on the coast is up to $10.50. 3 cents per 100, or $3 per 100, I should say. 3 cents per pound. Come on, guys, get with the program. For a grand total of $112.50. Irony heavy were the Wiedeckers, 24 pounds, 18 cents a pound for $4.32. Extrusion, 4 pounds, 67 cents a pound for $2.68. irony light were those like fake dollies, the screens, all the vacuum attachments, and some other tidbits. Oh, and the chairs and tables. 80 pounds, 28 cents a pound, 22.40. Electric motors. What do we have? Electric motors. Oh, the 2 ceiling fans. 10 pounds, 15 cents a pound for $1.50, and then a half battery. Thank you, Dave, for $2.75. For $2.75. For a grand total today of $146.15, plus the $20 for the washer or the dryer. So we're talking $166 today. Heck of a way to kick off the week, and we just beat the rain. Ha! Look at that timing. So we didn't have to get all soaked and soggy and mushy. So I'm pretty happy about that. So we're supposed to have baseball again tonight. We actually have a game tonight because playoffs start soon. So hopefully the game's not canceled because of the rain, but who knows? I didn't even know it was supposed to rain. My mother-in-law is normally on the ball, and she'll be like, oh, it's supposed to rain, it's supposed to do this. She didn't say anything this morning, so I think this might be a shocker to her as well. So we'll have to see. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to smash that thumbs up. As always, it's Nacho Stuff, but that doesn't mean you can't take someone else's trash and turn it into cash. So until tomorrow, be safe, be happy, and I'll catch y'all then.